This always happens. Oh my gosh. Oops. Oh wait, this always happens, guys. I'm so sorry. I try to set everything up. By the time I go to YouTube and do all these different things, prices already moved in the direction that it wants to move in. But I do have this one here that I'm currently in. Yo, yo, what's good? What's good? What's good? Having one of those crazy mornings again, man. What's good? What's good? Let's see how this plays out. Let's see how this plays out. Very risky setup, guys. Very risky setup. I have a small position in this one. What's good? What's good? Stevenson, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Pineapple. Yeah, we're going to get straight to it, I promise. Bird say, yo, what's up? What's up, guys? What's up? I just took this trade on Nas. I tried to get it. By the time I go into YouTube and all these different settings, what ends up happening is that, there we go. What ends up happening is that, like, it takes a bit of time, and then these things, because remember, I have to focus, enter the trade, and all that good stuff, and then enter. I do have this really risky play right here that I have a small position in on an actual live account, so we'll see how that goes. But this morning we won one, but I don't know. I don't like the way I'm trading this morning. How are you guys? Are you guys trading well? You guys doing good? How's it going? What's good, Adib? Professor, what's good? Everybody's in here, bro. Everybody is in here this morning. Oh my gosh. I'm hoping we can get some better trades, guys. US 30, don't mind this. I didn't enter this. It was just to see what's going on. I didn't enter this. I did enter this one. This one won. I panicked on this one though, but it won. And then this one I'm currently in. So depending on how this goes, I can either be 2 for 2 or 1 for 2, which means I might lose my streak today. This whole week I've been 5 for 5, but I couldn't resist. But I did notice something very interesting. Price has been moving super crazy this morning, and I think it has to do with the fact that we have news in, like, you know what I mean, like 20 minutes. So we will see how that all plays out. But in the meantime, I hope you guys are doing good. Let me show you guys some of the other stuff I'm looking at that I marked up. I didn't take the trade, but I wanted to see how it would play out. Let me show you guys. I have some things marked up this morning. Is that GBP/USD? I was potentially looking at this, but I don't like the way that it's moving. And even right now, it's kind of like, you know what I mean? It's forming this little mini channel, which means we might break towards the upside. Right? We don't know. We got to wait to see what happens. Khalid said, hi, guys. What's good? What's good? Mr. R said, gold just flying. I bet, bro. I bet. I want to show you guys what I'm in. I'm in this trade right now. Okay, guys, I'm in this trade right now. So wish me luck. It's a Forex trade. This morning, I did not take this oil trade, guys. It's just a setup to see what was going on. I didn't take this trade. What the trade I took this morning was this. It just hit TP. I was trying to get you guys to see this live. You guys, I'm starting to figure something out with the market. It's a bit risky, but boy, when you understand it, man, these things go. So I'll tell you right now, for GBPCHF, if everything goes well, look at what we're aiming for, right? We're aiming for up here if everything goes well. I was going to do the same thing with Nas, but Nas, you know, they have a mind of their own. So I was a little careful as to, sorry, 15. I was a little careful as to where I got out. I'm like, this could potentially break towards the upside and keep going, or it could just be a fake out. So I just kind of got out at that point. And you can see prices starting to form a little bit of bear structure, just a little bit. We have this trade going. I don't like the way it's moving, but I hope it continues in this direction, at least for me to get a 1 to 2. That's all I'm looking for at this time. So we'll see what happens. I wanted to show you guys something. What is it? What is it that I wanted to show you guys? Take profit on Nas. Yeah, we hit Nas. Yes. 1 second, guys. Oh, gold. That's what we're looking at. Gold. Yeah, because somebody said gold is just flying. Let's take a look at our other chart that we use. You know what I should have looked at this morning? AUDJPY. Because recently that pair has been good to me, bro. That pair has been very fantastic for me. All right, so AUDJPY just playing in this range. But I think the fact that we've broken this low, you know, gosh. The fact that we've broken this low means we might be in a bull trend. I might look for some gaps around there to retrace to. You know what I'm saying? We do have one here. We have a couple actually. Oops. One right here. And one right here. And then one right here. All right, so we'll see how that plays out. I will put an alert here just in case, especially around news. Price. All right, so we'll see how that plays out. Let's see what NAS is doing. Let's see what GBP/CHF is doing. Not doing the greatest thing, but NAS. We already did NAS, so let me get rid of NAS. Let's go to XAUUSD. Pay attention to that. I think this morning I actually marked up something on a different chart for XAUUSD. Where is it? No, wrong one. Oh, it's this. It was this. Price was forming a bit of a channel, so I wanted to see what was going on. I was anticipating it was going to break to one side and go up. That's what it's been doing recently. As you guys can see, gold is just making all-time highs. And usually at this time, you want to tell yourself, man, it's too high. It should come down. Don't do it. Wait for it to tell you it's going down. If it hasn't shown you that it's going down, don't touch it. All right. I need this trade to hit a 1 to 2, guys. I need this trade to hit a 1 to 2. So let's hope that we can get this going. What are you guys trading this morning? What are you guys trading this morning? Let's see here. Let's get our good morning song going. For those of you who are here early, good morning, my lovely foreigners, and good morning, pineapples.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, you're looking at USD CAD. Let's take a look at that. USD CAD. USD CAD. What is this? Anyhow, USD CAD. Let's get rid of this so we can focus and see what's going on here. Price came back into this level, acting up. Which prop firm? What's his name? Alpha Capital, guys. And I'm doing Top Step as well, and another one, but I don't want to give them all away. I'm doing a couple challenges right now. All right, AUD CAD. It looks like we had this thing marked up to go down and break. Ooh, so this is an interesting spot, right? Price has gone up, down, up, and now it's giving us lower highs. We don't know about the lower lows yet, but again, another lower high. We need this to break, because if it breaks, we might get one of these today, guys. Let's pray and see. By the way, guys, I'm thinking of opening up I'm already going to do a VIP program just for those who want the one-on-one calls. All right, guys. So people have been asking me for calls. That's why I'm doing it. But I'm thinking of extending it because you guys never get to see me trade live in the mornings. I'm thinking of extending it to the mornings where you guys could trade with me. For those of you who are new, maybe it might help you. So we'll see what happens. In the meantime, someone said, I'm looking at NAS 100 and Euro UD. NAS 100, I already took the play on. We're going to come back to USD CAD, guys. Give me 1 second. NAS 100, let me show you what my analysis was. Where are we at? Oh, that's US 30. There we go. So we already took this trade. This is what I'm looking at for NAS 100, all right? I marked this up. I could see that price was going to break into here and go up. It always does that, right? It breaks down a little bit, then it shoots up. So there's a good chance, to be quite honest with you, that NAS may that NAS may continue, you know what I mean, towards the upside. All right, that's really what I'm looking at right now. But you can't underestimate this because anything can happen with these type of settings. So we just have to wait and see. You can see price is pushing down. Let's wait to see how price closes on the 15, right? On the 15 minute, then we can take it from there. Somebody also said Euro AUD. Let's take a look, guys. AUD. Ooh. This, oh God, I wish I looked at this earlier. Look at this setup. Holy father. Look at this setup, guys. All right, so right now we have price forming a bit of bear structure because we were giving higher highs and higher lows. And now we have a bit of a lower high because it broke this low. Okay, so we're going to get another low maybe formed around here and then maybe towards the downside. So we might want to watch out, possibly check for some of these gaps, right? We have this one here. And then we have one more, well, two more. This one. And then a really tiny one like right up here. Here's what I would recommend. There's still, let me go back out a little bit. Oh, this is interesting. This primarily goes down or up? Oh, we've been going sideways for a hot minute, and we haven't been able to break this side. You can see here, obviously, we would want to break this level. This would really give us the confidence we're looking for. But price broke out of this channel, went up, and is retesting this area. It could go up or down. Based on what I'm seeing here, right, we can see this is the next area that might give us problems. You know what I mean? This next area right here. So I don't know, man. I would be careful. I'd be a little bit careful. I won't lie to you. I'd be a little bit careful, just because, like, even though we could go down, it hasn't fully given us the strong, you know what I mean, that we're looking for. If we were scalping, then yeah, we could have got into somewhere, anywhere up here, and we'd be a happy capper. But on higher time frames like the 15, we got to see. We'll wait and see what happens. So we'll put an alert here, guys, so that we can check it out if it hits that. Oops. Price has tapped. All right, and then for the downside, I mean, there's a gap right here that it's already into. I don't like taking these gaps that are already being played into. They're not my favorite. I would say outside of that, if price wants to bounce off of anything, it'd be this one here, because this was the gap at the push. All right, guys, so maybe, right? We'll see. Maybe. I don't want to put too many alerts, but we'll see what happens. One day I'll stand and dance that good morning on work. Yeah, Bird. We got to make this like our national anthem or something. Because I said I get one pineapple. Nas 148 pips short from 19. Okay, we're going to check that in a sec. Kamzi said I'm in a short position on USD CAD as well. And did TFT pay you out? No, Titan. No. Okay, let's go back and look at some of these. You guys, oh, my trade is doing really well. Okay, guys, 1 second. I got to go manage my trade on here. Oh, my gosh. Man, where's my TP? My TP is... Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me close... All right, we let the rest run, and I want to be careful about this, you know. I want to be super careful, but I'm gonna have to move my stops to break even. It really sucks, but that's all I can do for now. I need this thing to go. So all right, guys, that's pretty much it. At least we hit a 1 to 2. This is the ultimate goal. So sorry, guys, bear with me. So we hit TP on that, as people would say, TP1. This is my ultimate TP. This is what I'm looking for. Hopefully it doesn't come back to break even, but we will see what occurs. All right, guys, we will see what happens. All right, let's go back and look at some of these settings here. So NAS 100. Let's take a look at that real quick. All right, NAS 100. You are short. So let's plot this real quick. Short. All right, I'm gonna have to copy this. Oh, guys, I gotta do this as well. 1 second. I haven't even done this on the Discord. I'm gonna move this over. 1 second. I always forget to do this. It's so bad. Set to never expire. Copy. All right. Give me 1 sec, guys. Just gotta post this. Here, and then pin it. All right, guys, if you're new, join the Discord. Cool. All right, so let's take a look here at his position. Okay, short from, so that's his entry. Entry price, I think it was 9.3. Cool. And then stops is at right here. All right, stop loss is right here. What's going on here? Let me try this again. Love you too, baby. Bye. Is that the exact one? No. Okay, let me just type this in manually. So we got, for stops, we got 19454.15. Okay, and then we have TP at, this hopefully should work. All right, cool. All right, so are you already out the trade, or you're about to enter the trade? I think you're about to enter the trade. So if you hit this, it'll be nice, but boy, is that risky. Okay, good. Good. This is going my way. Sorry, guys. I had to check. All right. And then somebody else said they were short on USD CAD. Let's take a look at that. We'll move from AUD JPY for USD CAD. Okay. Somebody is currently short on USD CAD. I would love to know your coordinates. You don't have to share it. It's private, right? But guys, this morning so far, I am 1 for 1. Actually, 2 for 2. So this week, guys, I'm 7 for 7 on live accounts. 7 for 7. And I think this is the most I've traded in a week. That's nuts. I'm 7 for 7. I took a trade on Top Step this morning, won that. Took a trade on Alpha Capital, won that. 2, actually. This would be 2. Won that. So pretty good, man. Pretty good. I was supposed to pass the combine this morning. I made a stupid mistake. But whatever. We made profit. That's all that matters. Castro said it's got to a point where I'm not worried about passing the challenges. I'm worried about getting scammed. Bro, I'm with you 1,000%, to be quite honest. And I won't lie, guys. This morning, GBP CHF slipped me really badly. Like really badly. I've never seen that happened on Alpha Capital before. I'm starting to kind of get worried. I hope they're not starting to change. But you know, with these prop firms, nothing is really guaranteed, man. One day they're great, the next day they're just terrible. But anyhow, we have this trade here would give me a 1 to 4.5. So it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Bro, I can use the gap in higher time frame to trade in swing day. Of course, bro. Adib, of course you can. You can use the gap on any time frame. So you are short. Let's see here what's going on. I mean, we can see, I think when we looked at this higher, that price, yeah, I mean, this is making sense. It's starting to crack this trend line. We want price to start breaking these lows before we even look at anything on a long term. But for right now, not too bad. I wonder where you guys are in short. Adib, can you show us some example? Yes, I can. Like I said earlier, for those of you guys who just got here, I'm thinking of opening it up so that you guys can trade with me in the morning. I think I'll do it strictly on Discord. So on Discord in the morning, I will do live trading with whoever joins the group. Guys, this is not a sales pitch, by the way. It's something I'm thinking of. It's not set in stone yet. I have people who want one-on-one coaching, so I have that lined up. I'm going to start the first one, I think, this weekend, and then it'll start to roll out. So I'm thinking of offering them something just as an incentive, right? Everything I do is free. The course is free. The Discord is free. Everything's free. The only thing I charge for is my time. So if you want a one-on-one session with me, obviously I'll charge you for that. And it's nothing crazy either. It's not super expensive, but that's the only thing. But I am thinking of, I get a lot of DMs and private messages in the Discord where people are like, bro, can you help me? Can you walk me through? So I'm thinking of opening it up so that if you guys want to trade with me before I hop on these, before this happens, right? When, not this one. Where's my position? There you go. Before I hit TP, you know how every time I come on here, it's like about to hit TP or just hits TP. Before this happens, you guys will get to be with me in the analysis and stuff. Again, it's not a signal. It's just to show you guys how to trade. All right. So anyhow, Adib, I can show you an example on a higher time frame. Let's see. Let's use USD CAD. Okay, on USD CAD, let's see here. We can see right here, actually, there's a gap on the 4 hour. I'm going to move this down. But there's a gap on the 4 hours. So, for example, you could, if we had gone back, obviously this is hindsight, so we're going to look like professionals here. But you could have said, okay, I see prices, going towards the downside. I'm going to wait for price to retrace into this gap. Okay, and when price gets into this gap here, right, you want to maybe go down to a lower time frame. All right, so let's go down to the 1 hour. It'll be a bit easier. All right, so here we are. Price has gone down. You set an alert, and then boom, price is very close to your level. Maybe since you're trading on the 4 hour, right, you might want to enter on the 15. So price gets here, you get yourself a nice rejection, almost an engulfing as well. You might want to enter here, or you might want to set a Pending order. Pending orders are great if you really know what you're doing. If not, you will oftentimes get taken out. Okay, so for example, you can say I'm going to enter here when price, wicked, and maybe put my stop loss just above there. 1 second here. Okay, so maybe you can do something like that. This wouldn't be the best. Maybe we can do that because at least you want a 1 to 2. Why is this so wide? Sheesh. Let me move this over as well. Okay, so maybe you can say you want to do that. And maybe when you get a strong rejection candle, you go in for the trade. Or you might want to wait for a break of structure, something like this. Okay, price has broken this structure. Maybe you want to do this. You want to enter here, put your stops above there, aim for down there. There's many ways you can do it, but gaps work on every single time frame. Okay, again, this is hindsight, so we're going to look like we're amazing professionals or whatever the case is because we knew price was going to go down. But you get the point, right? So you can easily use gaps on any time frame you want, any time frame at all. Alrighty, hope that helps. Hope that helps. All right, so those of you guys who are short, I'm curious to see what you guys are on. Because let's see here, price was giving us higher highs and higher lows, and then we had lower highs, started making lower lows. We came back up, we wicked this out, but then we made a lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Then we made another high here, made a lower high, sorry, lower low. From there, another lower high. We're hoping to get another lower low, all right, hoping. But look at where price is playing at this level where price has just been consistently, you know what I mean, just bouncing off this level. So we have to be careful. You really need some stronger things. We have a 1 hour gap here that we could be mindful of. Let's go down to 15. You see what I'm saying? And that's already started moving. And then we have the 15 that formed here as well. So I don't know. You're welcome, Adib. You're welcome. You are welcome. Guys, we didn't get to play our congratulations songs for me hitting TP, but you know what I'll do? I will wait. I hit TP twice. I'll wait till somebody else hits TP as well. And then hopefully we can, let me move this to stop, to break even. There's no point of letting that go all the way down to stop loss. But then we can play our songs. Bro, look what's happening with Nas. Somebody was short. Let's see. Are you short now? Because this is a risky play, bro. I think it was Khalid. Or Khaled. This is a risky play. And just like, it's news. I'm like, why is it doing that? News. Yeah, you'd have to probably, if you entered at the break, you would have probably got wicked out first. I don't know how you're planning to manage this trade, but good luck to you, Khaled. Let us know how it plays out, because that's a risky play, brother. USD CAD. All right, let me go take a look at, not this. I gotta leave that alone. I want to see what happens with, all right, so Nas, am I tripping? Yeah, I was about to say, so because that already happened. So that Nas is doing that. I want to see what's going on with US 30 and all right, US 30 broke out of that channel. US 30 went flying, so that's up. And then SPX, SPX is interesting, guys. SPX is absolutely interesting. Depending on how this 15-minute closes, guys, we might actually be getting this. Depending on how this closes, okay? It might fly like the rest of them, right? The brother and sister of SPX, US 30 and NOS 100. It might follow suit, or depending on how it closes, we might be getting a push towards the downside. So we will see how that goes. Let's take a look at some other ones here. Gold. Okay, gold is finally starting to retrace. Sheesh. Look at this play. This would have been lovely, but I would never take a trade like that because we have no reference towards the left-hand side. I'm not going to just sit here and say, oh, gold is reversing. Like, no, it could easily go back up. It is bearish structure because, you know, gold is breaking this low. It broke this low. It's breaking this low now. It's over here. You know what I mean? So we are, and it's giving us lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So it is forming bearish structure, but we want to be super duper careful. You know what I want to check out? I'll tell you right now. I was going to get into a trade here this morning, and I didn't like the way it was moving, so I left it. Euro JPY, I'm anticipating it going back up. Oil. Oh, God, I missed. I didn't set an alert. Oh, my gosh. You guys, let me if you guys have been with me before, I explain this concept all the time. Before news, price will consolidate, go from one zone to the next. I'm anticipating price going up to here. I was supposed to get in somewhere around here, and I missed. That sucks. That absolutely sucks. This would have been perfect. Right? Like even if you entered at the break as opposed to the retracement. Usually if price starts retracing, I put in another position right around, and that would care. Let's see. First, we would need a 1 to 2. Then that would help me to measure. So this is a 1 to 2. So I got to make sure this next play is a 1 to 4. Yeah, so it would be like literally right there. Yeah. So it would have been like this. Gosh, that sucks. Anyways, I made money. I need to stop being greedy. This week has been really good for me, and I'm acting a fool. So, I didn't actually take this trade, guys. Here, this was just I was thinking of something doing this, but I did not take this trade. So even though it looks like a TP, I didn't take that trade. This is the one I was waiting for, and I missed. All right. Nas is going crazy. Again, if you're short on Nas, God be with you. Okay. God be with you. Is Nas going down? Is Nas going down? I don't know.
I don't think he will come back again.
I don't know, man. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. All right, guys. Happy Friday, by the way, guys. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are going to have a blessed weekend. Hope you guys have lots of plans and all that good stuff. Let me take a look at... We did oil already. US 30. Look at US 30. Look at US 30. What have you decided to do? This is super sketch for me. Let me see something here. Go to the 1 hour. Nah. There's many reasons I can guesstimate that we might be selling from this point, but I'm not going to touch it. You guys, when you're trading, you want clear cut moves based on confluence and different things. Bird put the emoji. Oh, all right, guys. What are you guys trading? This morning, you guys are so quiet. What's going on? You guys are not trading at all? Or are you guys just taking the week off? This week we are 7 for 7. I think this is one of my best weeks yet, to be quite honest with you guys. 7 for 7. I took 7 trades this week after missing my 1 to 4 on SPX 500. So that's really good. Now, guys, understand if you're new that these streaks do happen. You get into situations where where your market conditions are favorable for your strategy and you have a long winning streak. It doesn't mean you know the market now, you can't lose. It just means conditions are favorable. So be careful. Don't start risking more and doing crazy things. The market will humble you. Alrighty. I don't know. Let me take a long look at this. Look at this. Guys, by the way, my chart is messy because as you can see, we've marked this up like 1,000 times. I remember somebody was anticipating price was coming down here, but it was close, but it never reached, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's tempting, right? Because look, at the break of here, you could get in for, let's say, a sell position at the close of that candle. You could put your stops here. I usually put it at the, at the swing high, just to be on the safe side. And look at where you would have to go. Look at how far price would have to go down. It is possible, but it's a bit of a stretch, and I don't like trades like that. I don't. Right? Because now, look, we got to break all these lows. Now, again, there's a bunch of equal lows sitting here, so there is a chance price wants to take out what other people refer to as liquidity. You see what I'm saying? So, could be. But I wouldn't take that trade. No matter how perfect it plays out, I wouldn't touch it. Because I also don't have a reference on the left-hand side. First, I took 8 trades in the past 2 days. Got stopped. And all of them are crying in silence right now. Guys, let's sympathize with Verd. Verd has had a rough week. I'm sorry for you, Verd. Today I switched to demo account and smashed all trades I took. I hate when that happens. When like your setups don't play out, you go and do like paper trades and then they're all going crazy and you're like, what the heck? It happens, man. So psychology is important. You just got to get them on the next one. You got to get him on the next one. I don't like how this is playing out, bro. Hurry up and hit TP so I can play my congratulations song because I'll be... No, it's still 2 for 2, but... So Nas is starting to go up while US 30 is pushing down. These two usually do this nonsense where they trade a little differently. Let me go to the 15 and check something out here. Okay. So on the 15, this is what we got as a setup for that. And for this. Oh, guys, I think it's the opposite. So for Nas 100, we have the support situation over there. And we have the triangle thing. What the heck is that? And we have it like that, but that's like reverse. Isn't that crazy? Look at Nas. Right? Look at US 30. Weird behavior. I don't even know what would you call this? A reverse triangle? That's weird. But I see this happen a lot where Nas and US 30 like mirror each other in a inverse way. Vert said this is weird. Trust me. Adib said, bro, I have big problems. That is demo. I start at $20. The first trade, I take my TP at $10 to $15. But then the next trade, it blows my account. What should I do? It happened at least 5 to 10 times. So you're starting with a demo of $20. The first trade, you take TP at 10 to 15, but then you blow your... What's your risk management like? This sounds like a risk management issue. Because you should be risking the same each time, right? If you're risking $10 to make 10 to 15 or something like that, then your risk is too high on a $20 account. Then again, on a $20 account, if you don't risk big, you're not getting anything, right? You're not going to get nothing at all. So you're going to have to kind of risk it big. But I would say on a $20 account, maybe divide it into $5 positions, maybe even $2.50 positions. You know what I mean? If you really want, risk 5 to make 10. That way you can at least stay in the trade for 4, stay in the account for 4 losses in a row, which is kind of common depending on your strategy, but it should give you better chances. If you have a $20 account, you make $10 to $15, but then you blow the account on the next trade. I think that's risk management, to be quite honest. It's always like that at Verd. Yeah, Ranker, 1,000% is always like that for real. Always. Yona said, my man, what's good, Yona, what's good? If you're new here, not new, if you're just joining us, we took TP here this morning, TP, and then I have this trade. I already closed half my position, moved my stops to break even. I'm aiming for a 1 to 4, but I don't trade Forex, so I'm a little bit skeptical. Price broke out of this area this morning, I've been waiting. I was watching this all morning. I'm like, bro, I could just tell the way it's moving. It's not going to push down fully. It's going to go back up. And then when I saw price gave me some volume, I just hopped in. And this is on a challenge account, guys. A challenge account. I'm taking a challenge on Alpha Capital. But the problem with these challenge accounts is that I'm trading so many things. So Beeves said you're killing this week. Beeves, I'm telling you, this week I think is my best week ever. You guys, I'm 7 for 7 on live trades. 7 for 7. I think this is the best I've ever performed. I've got to update my trading calendar because this is the best I've ever done, I think. 7 trades in 1 week is nuts. And nothing was under a 1 to 2. You see what I'm saying? Some of them were 1 to 3s, others were 1 to 4s. So it's been a hell of a week. I'm thinking of doing live trading in the morning with people on Discord. So just look out for that, guys. Not a sales pitch, just letting you know, because you guys ask me about this all the time anyways. Yona said GPCHF, nice. What does daily and 4 hour look like? I'll show you in a second. And Rankers speaking to Learn with Adib. Okay, cool. So 4H and daily. Oops. This is what we got. Okay. I think that is a daily gap right there. Yeah, that's a daily gap. So not the greatest, but I'm a scalper. So I really just base everything off of. Oh, okay. Bro, tripped me out. I'm like, did we just hit break even stop loss? Anyway, so yeah, this is what it looks like right now. All right, so you can see here, let me just go back to the weekly because that's what everything was based off of. We can see here price is basically in this bear channel, right? We're going down. You can see by how the market is moving, we're essentially going down. Okay, you can do it like this if you want. You can do it a different way, but what's happened is that over here on the smaller time frame, we recently were going down. So this is what price is supposed to do, right? When price is going down, it's supposed to give you lower lows, lower highs, and more lower lows. We haven't done that. We've been just moving sideways, broke down a little bit, went down, came back up, and then it broke above. Okay, so we were anticipating going up that way. It didn't. It broke down again. Usually when it does that, I'm always anticipating price is going to come up into a zone like this and push down further. At least take care of this high, this low and this low. So, but right now, I don't know. I don't know. I didn't base my analysis this morning on that. I literally looked at like the 1 hour and the 15, and I saw we were at a key zone, and I could see that this area that we broke below. How do I do that? There we go. That we broke below, right? We broke below, but not with too much strength. So I could tell that we were at least going to retrace a little bit. So that's what my analysis was on this morning, and so far it's played out pretty well. All right, so we're almost at TP. Well, kind of. How many pips away are we? Price is just acting a fool, brother. Right here when that happens. Let me just do this real quick, guys. 1 second. All right, so we're like right here. Price is about 10 pips away from TP. You know what I mean? So, and how many pips is it away from stop loss? About 16, almost double. So hopefully it goes the right way, but the way price is moving over here is kind of sus. So whatever happens, we've made money. We are good. We are absolutely Gucci. And now look at what price is doing over here on NAS. Maybe, just maybe, if price breaks this low, you could possibly get into a trade for a little nice 1 to 2. Who knows? Maybe we'll take a paper trade just to show you guys what I'm talking about. But yeah, man, there are certain trades I see and I know to get in, and there's other trades that even when I'm marking it up for you guys and it goes in my direction, I still don't take. I'll do a paper trade at best just to illustrate to you guys, but I only take setups that I have like strong conviction in and lines up really well with my analysis. Yona said daily is good, mate. It's at the low of yesterday with candle, while candle thrust up. I think you're talking about GBP CHF, and I hope so. I hope it continues to thrust up if that's the case. Learn with the Deep responded to Ranker. Mr. R said, can you look at Euro JPY? Of course. I actually have Euro JPY on my list. Okay, I love Euro JPY right now. To be honest, I've taken some trades on it. That has been very good to me this week as well. I took this trade. I think, was this yesterday? Yeah, I took this trade yesterday. Beautiful trade. I'll show you guys. I should have held a little longer, but this is the trade I took yesterday. All right. Tapped into my zone, just classic. Volume candle, hit TP, and it continued to just go up, right? And then it came back down. So very nice trade yesterday. So let's take a look at it today. Let's see what's going on with Euro JPY. All right. So I have some, as you can see, I have some alerts. I'm anticipating that price based on how it responds to this level here. I wanted to hit this level and maybe give us a retracement. But look, it took out, not like took out these lows, but it came back to this trend line and now it's pushing up. So I don't like that. However, I do wish I saw it earlier because I probably would have hopped into a trade. Setups like this, you just know it's going towards the upside. But anyhow, going back to the analysis, this is what we're looking at. Okay, it's been trending very beautifully. You can see it's been respecting structure. Like, look at this. It comes down, you know, moves sideways a little bit, and then it breaks down, and then it respects this level, and then it breaks down. It's supposed to respect this level. It hasn't. It's gone up back to here. Okay, it's respected this level. It's broken way down. So we know that this intermediate, you know, low or area, whatever, wasn't that strong. So it's between these 2 points here. Now it's here. It's giving us a lower high. We're hoping for another lower low. That's all. So long story short, on Euro JPY, I am bearish. Very bearish. Okay. I'm anticipating price. I kind of want price to come back to this level here. And hopefully we can find a quick scalp. A quick scalp. Learn with the deep. Okay, Ranker's responding to learn with the deep. Professor said live trading together would be awesome, bro. Yeah, I'm going to possibly do it, to be honest, guys. People ask me about it, especially the people who are new and just need some guidance. I never thought I'd be doing this, but I'm open to doing it where you guys could trade with me in the morning. So when you see these type of setups happening, like you would see it live with me. I would tell you guys what I've done, what I've marked up, why I'm getting in. It's not a signal. I know people are not going to listen and they're still going to take the same trades I take. But I just want you guys to learn how to trade. People ask me every day, do you do signals? No. Then they ask, okay, can you provide me with the best signal? Buddy, I don't use signals. I don't give signals. I'm never going to ever touch signals. Signals is, I want people to learn to trade correctly. I don't want signals. Signals is a short-term solution to a long-term problem. All right, so I don't do signals. Also, I do get occasionally people reaching out to me because they're on my lives or they're on my YouTube channels and they're asking to edit my videos. I sincerely appreciate it. If you're a good editor, I'll most likely hire you for sure. Not most likely, I will hire you. However, if you're using CapCut, respectfully, leave me alone. Thank you. CapCut quality, for whatever reason, when they push out these videos, they look like Play-Doh, like crayons, or like Fisher Price. Like, I don't know how to put it, bro. The graphics and everything is just, it's awful. So respectfully, guys, I appreciate you guys reaching out. I am looking for an editor who's not going to charge me $700 per video because I'll just edit it myself. But if you are going to hit me up, you know what I mean? At least use Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, anything but CapCut. CapCut is just... You guys are laughing. Bro, I'm being so honest, bro. I shout out to everybody. CapCut, be careful. YouTube suppresses your channel if you use it. Really? Did not know that. But somebody said I should look at GBP AUD. We'll take a look at that. K-Dot, I don't know if you just got in here. I'll show you the trades we took this morning. But yeah, bro, guys, don't hit me up on, if you know, don't tell me. I've noticed, and you know, the most disrespectful thing some of these guys say, they hit me up, hey bro, just watch one of your videos, or I'm a huge fan, watched your videos, you know, you edit okay, but I think you could do a much better job. Or they'll say, but your edits are not professional, I think I can do much better. I'm like, all right, you're starting off with some shade, no problem, tell me what you can, show me what you can do. Then they give me some... Bro, it's so bad. I want to show you guys, but I don't want to expose anybody. It's so bad. Like, so the video starts off, let's say it's a video with me saying, hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to take a trade on GBP AUD, and I'm going to show you this trade that I took last week, and I'm going to break it down for you. The video would be like text all over. Hey guys, right, all over, and then it would be like flashes, like, and the graphics that would pop up is like, when it says GBP AUD, it would be like the GBP, like the Great Britain British flag or whatever, and it would be all choppy. Bro, what the hell is going on? And then the music would be loud. You can barely hear my voice. I'm like, how are you? You're disrespecting my edits. Man, I ain't got time for all that, bro. So respectfully, if you're gonna message me, like, you better bring some heat, bro. Don't disrespect me and give me some I don't know what, some Looney Tunes type edits. Loud music, flashy effects, Mr. Beast type subtitles. Do I look like Mr. Beast to you? Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about, like, bro, that is not me. All right. So come correct. I don't even need it to be flashy. Just let the whole thing come together properly. A little bit of decent music, good volume control. The effects and graphics should illustrate what I'm talking about. That's it. Don't come turn me into Bugs Bunny out here or Mickey Mouse. Thank you respectfully. All right. Let me go back to some of these things. Can you explain again the type of setup you take as mandatory in the time frame? Yes, I will. I'm supposed to, let me do GBP AUD first. All right, Bird, I'm coming. Let me just, somebody asked me to do GBP AUD. Let me at least get back to that. Guys, people come at me crazy. Somebody messaged me, yo, not gonna lie, bro, your edits aren't great. And then I'm like, all right, show me what you got. And the same Looney Tunes Roadrunner type stuff, bro. Get the heck out of here. That's nuts to me. All right, looking at GBP AUD, ladies and gentlemen. First off, for everybody who just joined, let's do our national anthem here. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are having a wonderful week. And I hope that the weekend kicks off beautifully for you guys. Good morning, my lovely foreigners and my pineapple crew. Wagwan was good. Whatever other way to say what's up. Hope you guys are having a great time. Right, because just keep editing me yourself until you find someone decent. Yeah, so guys, the problem is that I have, for those of you who know, I have 4 businesses in total, right? With my wife and stuff like that. We run out of things, so it's hard. I have to do videos for here. I have to do videos for other companies and stuff like that. And so long story short, it's time consuming. It's very difficult for me to do that. I have a trade breakdown that Shosho asked me to do. Yo, Shosho, if you're still in here, I have the breakdown already edited. I just have to post it. I think I'm going to post it tomorrow. All right. So look out for that. And if you guys want to see me post the daily breakdowns of the trades we took today and stuff like that, or the trades we take on live, let me know. I'll do my best to get those out because those are not too hard to make. I won't add too many graphics. I'll make it super easy. But anyhow, coming back down to this, we can see price came down, right? Went up, broke down, came back up, broke down. Long story short, since we broke down, we've kind of been within this area. We haven't broken above. So price now is making lower highs, lower lows. Okay. We broke down. We have another lower high. We're anticipating at least price to come back in here again. Based on what I'm seeing here, price can break in any direction. It could go up, right? It could go down. What I would say is this. Overall, at least with this side here, we are overall bearish. That's the whole thing. This pair has been overall bearish because we've just been going down. All right. So that being said, I'm going to keep that in mind, and I'm going to start looking at key zones and key areas that I can look at to, keep in mind as we're trading this pair. So we have this area here. What was happening here is that price was making higher highs and higher lows. And now we have this low that needs to break before we really start looking down. But let's go down to the daily and start seeing what we can see as well. We've been going up. We kind of went down. We broke up again. Looks like we may be headed back up this way or be going down. Kind of hard to call, to be quite honest. It's easy to say, well, we're close to the zone. It might retest it. That's true. Or it might have already pushed from down here and wants to continue down. We don't know. Let me go down to the 1 hour. I'm a scalper anyway, so I'll be looking at the 1 hour. Based on the 1 hour, this is what I see. All right. Price was going up, then moved sideways, consolidated, right? Broke up, came back down, gave us a lower high, and now we have a lower low. It's around this area here where the last consolidation was. So to be honest, I'm probably looking for something like this in the short term. All right. So we have a gap on the 1 hour right here that price is currently in the middle of. So let's see what we can find for GBP AUD. All right. Look at this beautiful move that we just missed. All right. So I wish we could have gotten here a little earlier. This is textbook. Absolutely textbook. Right here. This would have been beautiful. Not only does it break structure, we got a little bit of a, why do I keep, oh, let's see. Oh, did I hit TP? Yeah, buddy, guys. I got to play my congratulations songs, bro. 1 to 4 on that bad boy. We hit TP on everything, bro. That is absolutely fire. So for those of you who are in trades with me, or you also hit TP this morning, congratulations. Congratulations. Fire emojis in the chat. Fire emojis in the chat.
I am happy for you. Like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations.
Congratulations, everyone. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Yeah, man. We are extremely happy.
We are extremely happy.
Yes.
We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Congratulations, bro. It's been a hell of a week. 7 for 7. I think this is my best week yet. 7 for 7. Oh man, this is awesome. So for GBP AUD, that's what we're looking at right now. Maybe we can get back into another retracement or something like that, maybe on the 15, and maybe catch the next move down. But for right now, that's where we are with that. Congratulations, everyone who took these trades. I think Verd asked me to do something here as well. He said, can you explain again the type of setup that you take as mandatory? Yes, I can, Verd. Just want to read some of these. Learn with the deep said they also cost less. Oh, you can find a good Fiverr. You guys, Fiverr is also getting crazy now, man. Their prices are getting insane. People are starting to charge like $60 per minute, which means if I make you edit a 10-minute video, I'm going to pay you $600. No. Editing takes long. Yeah, I have a trading channel myself. Oh, Yona Yield, that's fire. I'll check it out later on. All right, man. Thank you, Shosho said. Yeah, for sure, Shosho, you're welcome. Kida said W. Thank you guys for all the Fire emojis in the chat. Vert said Looney Tunes. K-Dot said Lungs of Steel. That's what I was saying, bro. That I have to hit him up and say, can you do an intro song for my channel? May have a quick look at your USD. I'm expecting more upside there due to the daily and 2-minute, 5-minute looks like stabilization now, going uptrend. Got you. I will take a look at it in a sec. In fact, let me use your USD to analyze and then also show Verd how I take my setups. All right, let's take a look. This is busy. We've been looking at this chart all week. A lot of people have been saying, can you look at Euro USD? You guys remember what I told you the other day about the consolidation and breaking back up? Look at that stuff right there. But I'm wondering if I should do a different, or let me just get rid of this yellow. I think that would be easier. All right, cool. So Euro USD, you can see here, we've already marked it up. Price was going up in an uptrend, broke below. Now we're forever going down. Now here is the thing. When price starts breaking towards the downside, what do we say? We want a lower high and a lower low. I am so sorry. I did not listen. That came out wrong. Lower low. We don't want what I said. Lower low. All right. We didn't get the lower low here. We got another lower high. We got another low. A lower high. We finally got another lower low. Then we got a higher high. A higher low and another higher high. And price came all the way back down here, breaking these lows. We came back up here, and you can see we form a nice channel down towards the downside. Okay, so price has broken all of these levels, which means we're anticipating somewhere within here price should be doing this. Okay, except it's not. What we have here is price now breaking towards the upside. So we may come back to retest something within this area before it really decides to shoot down. So our job now is to figure out when and what that thing is, okay? So on Euro USD, let me get rid of this real quick. Again, you can see on the daily we were going up, and now we formed a lower high, and now a lower low, okay? So I'm still bearish until we break this high, all right? As much as price is soaring, I would still probably look for bearish price action, okay? Because of the fact that based on the overall analysis, that's what I'm thinking. Now, the crazy thing about all of this is that there's no gaps. If I get it into a trade or I look at a pair and there are no gaps, bro, I'm like, nah. I just leave it alone. I don't like it. There's nothing here for me to take or to look at to go towards the downside. You guys are laughing. Yeah, guys, I did not mean to say that. I sincerely apologize. We don't curse on this channel. I don't curse in general at all. So I apologize for that crude language, all right? But we can see here as well that price has been showing some love to this level. So there's a chance that we could find something in here. Let's go down to the 15 and see if we can find a reference point. Even though it's far away, we do have a couple. I would say this. I would possibly, and I rarely do this, but just to try and find something to take, okay, this is what I'm probably looking at for now. All right, we are a bit far away from that, but you can see price is also just steadily making its way up. So with that being said, if we can continue up towards somewhere in here and then break down, because usually when you see something like that, what you're expecting is more price action to the upside and then eventually caving in. All right, so for now, that's what I'm going to look at. If I were to get into a buy before, well, this happened way early in the morning, so I wouldn't have been here. It would have been somewhere here. So yeah, so what I would do is that I would wait for price to get into this zone. I would set an alert, so I could do that right now. It most likely won't happen today, but we will see what happens. We'll say price. Okay, I would wait for price to get there. When price finally makes its way all the way up here, I will then wait for some form of confirmation that we're going towards the downside. All right, so I'd go down to the 1 minute and I would just wait to see what price does when it gets to that level. Let me just do this. When price gets to this level, and when price gets to this level, let me see if I can use the ghost pattern thing to show you guys. Do we have it over here or is it here? No, maybe it's this. No. Bro, what the heck? Am I tripping? No, it should be one of these. No. Oh, there you go. Ghost feed. I think that's what it is. So let's say price, right, makes higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. I think I gotta do it like that. That makes more sense, right? I'm waiting for price to maybe do something like this, right? Or maybe even, and then I'm gonna get in and take it down with me. All right, so let me get rid of this real quick. Something along these lines, guys, okay? So now when price retraces back maybe into this level here, 1 to 2 every time. And look at that, guys. We hit TP. Congratulations. All right. So that's essentially how I trade now. There are other factors, okay, guys? There are other factors that I use. But the gist of it is that price comes down to, or trading itself comes down to having three things. You need market structure to determine market direction. And once you find that direction, you need a point of interest. And then you need your setup to show up at that point. All right. That's essentially it. So for Euro USD, right now, I would be waiting. He said the 5 minute. I don't trade the 5 minute. And even on the 5 minute, I don't see anything convincing to get into a trade towards anywhere. There are no gaps. Structure is still forming. I would say maybe, right? Maybe what we might be getting, let me just use this. It's not an order block, guys, but it's just so that it's more visible on the chart. What we might be getting is this, okay? So what we might be seeing right now, what we might be seeing right now is this, okay? Which means price is going to come back, retest these zones a little bit more, and eventually we might actually get a break towards the upside. Because when price is, you know what I mean, going up and then it consolidates like this, it usually goes towards the upside. You get the odd ball where it actually does this. So we just got to wait and see, all right? So I hope that helps you. I hope that analysis gives you an idea of what we're looking at. And yeah. Okay. Alan Mugg said, morning, what's good? What's good, Alan Mugg? You missed our Good Morning Pineapple song, but we won't play it in a couple more minutes. Which prop firm are you trading now? Siam said, I'm trading Top Step, Alpha Capital, and one more that I will not disclose at this time. I will tell you guys after. Oh, and then let's not forget the Forex Funder, if they decide to let us trade, right? So we have that. Whew. Yeah, man. So let's see if we can. We hit. Oh, so for those of you who got in here late, let me show you the trades we took this morning. This week I'm 7 for 7. Fire. Best. I think it's my best trading week ever. I'm 7 for 7. I'm not a guru or an expert, guys. I don't want to give off this idea that I'm like, you know, amazing or something like that. I'm still learning. I'm only here to show some of you guys how I do it. That's it. But right now we have these trades that we took. Then we also did, I'll leave that open. We also did Nas. Where is it at? Yeah, right here. Nas. We took this trade this morning as well. This was the first one we took. Hit TP. All right, guys. So, and then we missed our setup on oil. Oil was, boy, oil. Look at this. Oil was just perfectly set up and we missed that. So it is what it is. We're now looking for other setups for some of our foreign money family members. If you guys are new, join the Discord. We are the best Discord and the best community on YouTube. I'm not as active as I used to be, but I will be, guys. The site is almost up. It's basically up, but like a couple more tweaks. And on the site, guys, I'm going to have, you guys remember all the stuff that I was showing you guys, the trading calendar, the trade grade book where you guys can grade your setups, the one for psychology, all that stuff. It's all going to be on there. You see what I'm saying? It's all going to be on there, and me and the mod are discussing. Everything I do is free, so the course is going to be on there too, and it's going to be free. But we are discussing some other things as well. So a lot of things are going to be up there. For those of you who want to do one-on-one sessions with me, it'll be there as well. Everything I do is free, guys. The only thing I'm going to charge you for is my time, because time is money, and I'm shine. Plus, when I'm done these, first off, you guys, you know, recently, you can't lie. Since I got back from vacation, I've been streaming way longer than I used to. Before, I was streaming 10 to 11, and literally in 24 minutes, I'd be out. But because I missed so much time with you guys, I've been streaming till like 12:30, and I'm so behind on work. So I'm saying, and I have no help. And then the audacity of some people to hit me up and say, "Oh, your videos aren't that great. I could do a better job." And then they send me some Looney Tunes edit. Crazy. All right. So Sam said the account size. I'm not gonna disclose that either. But just let me just put it this way. I have, oh gosh, if I say it, you guys will know. Some large accounts. Let me just put it that way. Let me give you this example. My smallest account size I'm trading right now is 25K. I'll just tell you that much. The smallest account size I got right now is 25K. All right, guys, hit the like button, please, for me, please. Please, the like button. You know what I mean? I'm trading for free. I'm doing everything for free. You know what I mean? I'm staying extra long for you guys.
What more do you want from me?
You know what I'm saying? What more can I do? All right, so RZ said that would be lit. Yes. And then I'm also going to be opening up. It's going to be strictly on Discord, but I'm going to start streaming live only on Discord for a certain group. And in the mornings when you guys are seeing me take these setups and stuff like that, because usually when I come on live, you guys will already see I'm either already about to hit TP or just hit TP. But if you guys want to trade with me in the morning, I'm going to open up a group for that as well. The only reason, to be quite honest with you guys, the only reason why I don't come on here in the morning when I'm trading is because I need to focus. I really need to focus, bro. Like, I have so many screens and so many accounts open that it's hard for me to focus. If I start trading with you guys in the morning and start streaming, it'll be hard for me to do my analysis correctly and all that stuff. But like I said, I'm considering doing it because a lot of you guys keep asking me about it. So we'll see. Nothing is set in stone, but right now that's what we working on. All right. So, yeah, Kate, I'll say you got to prioritize you, bro. I got to make this money. You know what I'm saying? I got to make this money. I spent 20 bands in Colombia, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got to make this money. I was supposed to buy a bike and I was supposed to get something else that I'm still possibly getting. It's going to be a surprise for you guys. You see what I'm saying? So I got to make this money. My wife was like, one time we were talking about like what we want when we become really, really successful and stuff like that. She's like, I want you one day to hand me like $1 million in cash in my hand. I'm like, really? She's like, yeah, I want you to push yourself and see if you can do it. I'm like, all right, cool. So that's the goal, guys. One day to be able to have a $1 million in cash and be like, first off, me and my wife are going to be together for 10 years in November. This November is our 10-year anniversary, guys. We've been together for donkey years. You know what I'm saying? She is the one, has always been the one. She's been with me through all the thick, the thin. When mans was a brokey and had nothing, when we were almost homeless, sleeping in cars and all that stuff, she was with me. So she deserves the world. What strategy do you use for your entries? I don't even know what to call it, to be quite honest. I just trade off of point of interest on a higher time frame. I wait for a change in structure or sometimes volume, right? Like, so for example, you would have, if you waited for price to get into the structure, you would have missed this trade. And also, guys, I forgot to tell you, I'm working on another strategy that is making my trades even more accurate. I've been trading it live recently and it hits. There was one trade that I took the other day. I think the entry was like here, like that. It was insane, like crazy sniper entry. So I'm debating if I'm going to release that live because I've given you guys all the sauce for free already. But all jokes aside, I'm working on another strategy, but I don't really have a name for my strategy, just something I kind of put together after years of trading. You know what I mean? And like, if you notice, if you guys ever see me trade live, you'll see that I have, in fact, this is a perfect example. You'll see that, oh, AUDJPY is starting to cook, baby. All right, let's go check it out. Ooh, we are here. We're here. You guys remember we marked this out earlier, saying that if price comes within these zones, we might look for it to give us one of these. So you guys, you better pray that we get, you know, a move. We might take a trade. Somebody took a trade the other day that I marked up as a paper trade. We took it as a paper trade. So we entered on the demo account and the person actually took it on their challenge account. They were like, thank you, bro. I hit TP. I was down and now I'm back up. So that was really amazing. But I will tell you guys 1,000 times, I'm not an expert or a guru. I'm still a student of the game. I'm still learning. Okay. The only reason I'm out here is because I just feel like in this community, it's good if we help each other. So if I show you guys what I'm doing, you guys can see what I'm doing, maybe formulate your own strategy or become better, whatever the case is. And that way you have a more of a consistent approach to how you're learning to trade. Because, you know, I don't have a $2,000 course to sell you. This is my course. It's free. So, and I'm not even qualified to teach, to be quite honest. I'm still learning. But anyways, I'm saying all this to say, don't take the trades I take, okay? That, like, be very careful with these things. So guys, we're going to pay very close attention to AUDJPY. Let's see if we can get another trade. We see Euro USD moving. We already missed the gravy train on oil. So let's see what else we can get this morning. What else can we get? Some people, yo, for those of you who were short on NAS 100 and US 30, where y'all at? Don't go quiet on me now. You know what I'm saying? Don't go quiet on me now. I want to see what happened. Did you guys get back in? And things of that nature. Sorry. Let's see what's happening with gold. So gold is acting very strange. All right. Gold was giving us higher highs and higher lows. And then gold eventually started giving us this weird bear structure. It's come back into the zone and broken above. But you can see here by the way it's breaking above that it's breaking in a consistent manner. So we're either getting something like this, you see what I'm saying, in the long run, or what we've got is something like this. Which ultimately means if this plays out the way we're anticipating, guess what we will get? Boom! So guys, let's put an alert. I don't want to miss it like I missed oil. All right. Price is breaking towards the downside. We'll see how this plays out. If you notice, I don't only trade one way. Like I still use retail strategies because guys, retail strategies help me with market structure. They help me to understand what price is most likely to do. It makes things easier. I'm not one of those who crap all over other, oh no, you have to use the divergent SMT zone with the macro. Like I don't do none of that, bro. My trading is very simple and I'm profitable and I'm happy. As my African uncle would say, that's it. That's it. See what I'm saying? So, oh, this would be super aggressive if I got in here, but I'm not going to. Because this is kind of oily. It's early. Could we catch a quick scalp, guys? We'll see. So we're watching that right now. We got Euro USD still kind of formulating this thing, and now we got gold. What else are you guys trading, by the way? What else are you guys trading? Yona said, wow, amazing. Thank you, Yona. Shosho said, fire. Thank you. Ranker said, congrats. Thank you. Adib is asking again, can I use that strategy for a swing / day? Bro, all these strategies, price is fractal. Okay, what happens on a higher time frame happens on a lower time frame and vice versa. So if you have a setup, it usually will work on every time frame. The only challenge is how long you wait. I used to trade very similarly on the 15-minute chart. It takes like 2 business days for the trade to play out. So I'm like, all right, forget that, right? And I started learning to scalp. So it really depends. K-Dot said, I feel called out about the SMT zone macro. Do you think payout junction is compromised? Bro, I heard payout junction is from Angelo, the same guy who couldn't run TFT. So I'll have to look into that. I got to talk to Marcus. Marcus is not here today. I don't know where Marcus is at, but he's usually here. Let me check my other phone. See if he hit me up. Let me hit him up. I think he's probably busy or something, but I'll hit up Marcus. Hey, bro. How are you doing? Everything good? All right. So yeah. So for the macro comment, I'm just messing with you. You could trade however you want, but I'm saying that I don't complicate my trades. That's all. My trades are very simple. I keep it simple. It makes me money. I'm happy. You know what I mean? I don't discriminate. If you trade macros, micros, microscopes, telescopes, whatever you want to trade, that's up to you, bro. I'm good. As long as you make money, I don't care. Castro said, do you think? Oh yeah, I already answered that. Do you trade boom and crash indices? I don't even know what that is. Boom and crash indices. What is that? Oh shoot. Sorry, guys. 1 second. Friends first, you know? All right. So, yeah. What do you think of ICT concepts? We get this question quite a lot, guys. Here's the thing. All right. Before you hate on me, I'm not saying it doesn't work. I'm saying when I learned it, it made things more complicated for me. So the only thing I use from ICT concepts, which people say is not even his, but it's fair value gaps. I love gaps. Gaps have really, they're an instrumental part of my trading. That's it. I don't do anything else. I tried some of the models and stuff. It made things complicated for me, but it doesn't mean it doesn't work. People preach all the time it works. So here, you guys, let me just make my position clear on all these things, right? Sometimes when you talk about certain people or certain strategies, people think you're hating. I just want to make this public announcement. I'm a grown man. I don't give a damn about what a next man is doing, how he makes his money, real fraud. I don't give a damn. I worry about myself. I got a family to feed. You know what I'm saying? If it works for you, it works for you. For example, we use ICT. We said this before, and I said this with Marcus as well. People say ICT is a fraud. Some people say it's legit. I don't care. ICT is making money. He's a millionaire. Whether it's from teaching, whether it's from course, he's making money. We're in a world, we got to worry about us. I only care about me and my family and God. That's it. You see what I'm saying? So I just want to make my position clear that if I ever make a statement about another trader or something like that, I have nothing personal against the trader. It's just my opinion at the time. But I could care less. I'm not pocket watching no other grown man. I'm not jealous of no other person. There's not a person in the world I would trade spots with. I am me, and I love being me. And I've been through my hardship, and I know I'm going to get to where I'm going to. You know what I'm saying? Not to whoever asked the question, I'm not even upset with you or nothing like that. Great question. I'm just saying, like, sometimes you give these answers and people are like, oh yeah, you're just a bum. You're just jealous. You wish you were the ghost in the machine. You wish you were the mentor of my mentor. My mentor is my goat. Worshipping a next man to me is insane. You will never see me in the comment section for a next man like that. That's wild to me. But that's just me. If you want to go cheerlead, by all means have at it. But I just want to say again, when I make my statement, it's coming from no place of malice. I just speak it how I see it. That's all. And the beauty of this world is, if you don't like it, God being so good, there's an X button at the top of every window. Close it. Go play outside. Touch some grass. Have a good time. But don't come at me. It's not going to change my life. All right. Adib said, but bro, because of them, others are losing money. Well, you guys, here's the other thing too. Others are losing money, but others chose to spend the money. Let's take this Alex G situation, for example, right? People are like, somebody commented on Marcus's video saying, oh, he scammed me into buying a $1,800 course or $20. Bro, you paid that money. You see what I'm saying? I'm not saying scamming is good, but you have to do your due diligence. You think I can, when I lose money in business, you think I can go to the bank and say, hey, that was a scam. They told me I would be profitable, but I wasn't. That doesn't work like that. You see what I'm saying? You'd have to really prove with beyond a reasonable doubt that the person actually scammed you. And a scam is usually you paid for one thing, got it next. Usually, right? Oh, I want an iPhone. You sent me a phone with an eye on it. That's a scam. But if you get an iPhone and the iPhone's battery percentage is not great, or the screen isn't as bright as you want it to be, or things like that, bro, that you have to do your due diligence before you take the phone. Test it. You see what I'm saying? So I'm not condoning people scamming. I know there's a lot of scammers out there, and people are exposing them. And sure, I'm saying, you guys, don't let another person be your excuse as to why you failed or why something happened to you. You are responsible for you. You purchased that course with the information you had at the time. You made the decision. Does it suck that the person, Jezebeled you? Yes. Learn from it and move on. I can boldly say I've never bought another man's course. Never. I've never been a part of no Signal group, no Discord, no nothing. I learned everything on my own just watching YouTube. Okay? And that's why I'm on here, to show you guys that I don't know everything. I take losses sometimes. Yesterday we took like 4 setups. I think 3 of them lost. And only 1 won, but they were paper setups. My actual real trades, I'm 7 for 7 this week. So trading is an individual journey. You see what I'm saying, guys? I'm sorry to rant and preach to you guys. It's just something I want you guys to understand. In this world, you're responsible for you. Don't blame an ex-man for nothing. Do your own due diligence. If you took a course from somebody and it didn't turn out to be what it was, sorry. Tough luck. Move on. Okay? It happens. When I was in Colombia, we had already paid so much money for a lot of things to happen. We ended up having to miss our flight. And I had to pay an extra $3,000 to get my wife and I home. That's life. Things happen. Now, you can be mad at the people at the airport, but you have to deal with the problem still. You see what I'm saying? And what are you going to tell your loved ones? I didn't do it because this guy? How does that sound? You got to be better than that. You got to rise above all the challenges that happen. So, just a little spiel there. But bro, because the crazy thing is that it's the losing traders that are the most passionate stands for a guru. Bro, that is who's that cash flow? That is the most factual thing ever. The traders who are losing defend these things with their lives. I will never understand it. Marcus is a very good friend to me, but if Marcus did something wrong, I'm not going to be all up in there glazing. I'd be like, I would first off have a private conversation. I'm not one of those who's going to call up Marcus live and be like, yeah, let's talk about the Marcus situation. Oh, I think Marcus that is horrible. You can't call somebody your friend and then blast them publicly. The Bible says you go to them first in private. If they don't listen to you, you bring a witness, and then if they don't, you go public. So, hey, bro, I'm going way off. For those of you joining the live, you know what? Let's play some music real quick. Good morning, everybody. Those of you joining the live, good morning. Welcome to the chat.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Learn with Adib said I got that course from Mega for free. You guys don't listen. Don't also steal people's work, bro. I know a lot of you guys can't afford and stuff, but if it were you, would you want somebody to take your course for free? Man, y'all are wild, bro. Casual said that's still an L. I'll leave that between you and Adib. Just said it's kinda is an iPhone. And then Ranker said good for you, Adib. Adib is laughing. And then in Sakwa Play said just hit full TP on US 30. I sent everything on Discord. Trade idea. Got you. We also hit TP this morning on Nas 100. Good for you. In Sakwa Play. NT Sakwa Play, K Dot and Bob Effects. I see them very active in the trading groups, and they're always posting their setups and stuff. It's pretty cool. Ranker said the game is the game. Exactly, bro. Wait. No. Are you saying the game is the game? I said, bro, it is what it is. Don't hate the play, hate the game. If you get it for free, get it for free. I don't necessarily agree with that, but you are free to do what you've got to do. Ranker, Ranker and Adib, you guys are bad. You guys are bad.
You are a bad boy.
Yeah.
You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy.
All right, guys. Oh, God, we missed on AUDJPY. Too much freaking talking. What the heck? Oh, my God. I was literally waiting for... Bro, I gotta focus, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Well, technically, because of spread, we probably would have gone around here. But still, oh, my gosh, bro. First off, we got to do what's fair. We got to play congratulations to NT Sako at Play for hitting TP. So first off,
Congratulations! Oh my God.
Congratulations, NT Sako. Good job, bro.
Congratulations.
Dang it.
Like you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations.
Congratulations, NT Sako at Play. Clap it up for him. Clap it up, and fire emojis in the chat instead of the laughing emojis. Fire emojis in the chat for NT Sako at Play. That is fire. Good job, brother. Good job. He said, where do you get these sounds, bro? The internet, brother. Everyone asks me every day, where do you get these songs, bro? What the heck? Bro, memes are forever on my feed, bro. I just can't avoid them. All right, price is reversing. Shoot. Okay, let's see if we can maybe get a re-entry on a paper trade. Let's see. I am going to re-enter at the same position, actually. Just to... And we'll do... Ooh, 10 bands we're risking, guys. 10 bands. Are you guys down? What should we do if we make this money? I should probably fly everybody out and we can do a proper celebration in person. Bro can finally pronounce his name. Yeah, bro. I had to, you know what happened? When he messaged me on Discord, I realized that I think the first two letters were capital. So it was like NT. Oh, and Sako as well. The S was as well. So it was like NT and then Sako and then at Play. Like he spelt it out. So I'm like, oh, okay. That's because the first day I'm pronouncing this guy's name like Insakwatpla. Insakwat. Playa, bro. I could not pronounce this guy's name, so I just started calling him NTS. And he never, you know the crazy thing, NTS, bro, not NTS, sorry, NT Sakwa Play. I'm just gonna call him NT. NT never corrected me. I even asked him a couple times, how do I pronounce your name? Bro just kept going on with his day. So from now on, I should probably call you Enso Kwakwa or whatever I was calling you before. All right, Professor said he's in a trade entry. Which pair is that, Professor? Let us know so we can plot that out. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Yeah, for sure. Check it out. Just let me know. What prop are you using? I'm thinking of joining Maven Trading. I haven't used Maven Trading before, so I can't really give an answer to that. I always recommend the top 3, FTMO, the 5%ers, and I want to say Alpha Capital Group, but things are a little weird for me recently, so I'll hold off on that. But you can't go wrong with FTMO or the 5%ers. People don't like to hear that because they're like, they're so expensive, especially FTMO, but you get what you pay for, right? 60% off. Look at us now. We paid 60% off for the Forex Funder account. Look at us now. Now we have no account, no money, no payout. So you get what you pay for. All right, guys. So this thing's probably going to hit TP. Okay, gold. Gold is starting to break down towards the upside. So, guys, look, just like we said, when price does this, right, we were expecting it to do this and eventually break towards the downside. So right now it's happening. What we need to figure out is if this is a fake out to go towards the upside or if it's going to do this. That is the challenge. And this is where, like, if I don't have a higher time frame confluence, I'm not even going to touch it. And as you can see, as you can very well see, we don't have anything to really go with. So this would be a massive gamble, in my humble opinion. All right. Levi said, can you analyze AUDC? Yeah, we did. We actually did that earlier. Let me take a quick look. AUD. I think, right? Did we not? No, that was USD CAD, I think. All right, but we've done some analysis on it before. Let's just take a quick look. Someone said let's wait. I think Ranker said let's wait for the retest. Okay, cool. I'll check that out in a second. So we're in a bearish channel. Okay, we're going towards the downside, but price, as you can see, as we were going down, we made a higher high recently, kind of broke that. Then we made it wicked, but a bit of a lower low, lower high. And now here we are. Price is broken this area, but it's wicked. This is a scary place to be. We're right here. Whenever we're back at these zones, I just leave trades alone, to be quite honest, because they respect these zones a little bit at least. So you might get a retracement before going down. I would say let's go into a lower time frame and get a better idea. As you can see here, price kind of consolidated as always, right, before breaking up and then going down. Now it's back in this area and it's here. Maybe we can find something to go down, but again, where we are, even if I do enter a trade anywhere up here, I'm telling you guys right now, my TP would be right here, no matter where my stop loss is, because this area is probably going to be super difficult. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour. Yikes, I don't like the way this is playing out at all. At all. I can give you a bunch of gaps and stuff to go into, but I would honestly wait. Maybe if we're going down for real, maybe we can look at the 15 and say, okay, well, price kind of came back into this zone. Maybe we can find something up here, but as you can see, there are no gaps. The only gap we got is this guy right here, and price kind of already violated that. Let's go to the 1 minute to see. Now it's making bearish structure again. We'd have to get in, but we're at this gray zone. Anything can happen within this gray zone. So guys, I'm going to say for AUD CAD, if you're scalping, you could still take it if you know what you're doing. I personally am just going to stay out the market. All right, guys. So for AUD CAD, that's my analysis right now. I just don't see a reason to get in for anything. Even like on the 1 hour and stuff, is just the price is at a zone. We need to let price finish what it's doing at the zone before we hop into any other trade. Where are we at? What would be a confirmation to take the trade on gold? Okay, let's go back and take a look at gold. Well, I would at least look for a higher time frame gap or something like that to know that when price gets to that level, it should be pushing downwards. Right now, this is all like 1 minute market structure, which you can't take for nothing. Some days you'll get lucky, some days nothing will happen. You see what I'm saying? So I got to wait and see what it's doing. Maybe at the break of this candle, this low here, we can start to consider getting into some sells. All right, guys, we need market structure to switch. We have it going higher high, higher low, higher high. And now when it breaks that, we'll get an official lower low. So there you go. We need it to close strongly. If it closes strongly, we can maybe get into a retracement or just go down. So I'll give you guys two scenarios. This is what I used to do, right? When price would break, stop loss there. Especially with gold, you're almost guaranteed to get stopped out. Now I put my stops up here. So what we'll do is that if it closes, gives us a nice close. I don't like this close. Not only did a wick, but all right, whatever. Just to show you guys, last time I did this, I got wrecked. Let me go back. I learned my lesson. Let me do this. Okay. We're going to do two positions. All right. And both of these, we're going to aim for a 1 to 4. I can hopefully use this as a proper illustration for you guys. Okay, and then we're going to get into another trade here. Shoot, I just realized something. So what I'll do is this. I will put over here that we close 25. So we're going to buy 25 at that point. That way, we have one TP there, our next TP there. So, all right, so this is what we're going to do. We want a nice strong close. Below this, it just kind of like wicked. So that's why I'm like, shoot, it's not great. But I just want to show you guys. Hopefully it goes down so you guys can see. You guys, this is not a signal. Don't take this trade. If you lose your money, don't come and mess with me. For money, I lost money because of you. Because of who? Because of your own self. I've been telling you don't take these trades and you're still taking them. So that's all you, bro. AUD CAD, AUD JPY, still kind of mingling. So yeah, let's stay focused on gold. Unless you guys have something else to look at. Professor said fire. Is FTMO payout monthly or bi-weekly? I think they do bi-weekly now, but I can't check. It's SPX. Okay, cool. Let's take a look at your SPX trade real quick. SPX. Great. Okay, so let's plot. Professor, are you short or you are long on SPX 500? I'm assuming. Someone said, oh, snap, you're Nigerian, my brother. No, I'm actually not Nigerian. I get that sometimes. Sometimes people think I'm from the Caribbean. Sometimes people think I'm Nigerian. I'll leave you guys to guess. I'll give you guys the answer at the end. Some people already know because I already said it. But I'm not Nigerian, brother. But we're still brothers, man. Love the music. Love the people. Love everything. We good, man. We good. Okay, so SPX 500. Whoever is in the... I think it's Professor. Professor, please let me know. You know what? Let me just plot the coordinates. The coordinates will tell me what's going on. Once I put the stop loss in there, I should understand exactly what's happening here. So let's go stop loss. Let me see. Let me just type it out. He is at 56690. Okay, so I think you're short because the stop loss makes sense. So let's see, entry price is, oh shoot, that pushed up. Entry price is 568175. Let me see if I can copy that. Entry. What? Huh? Nah, bro, you're in a buy. There's no way. There is no way. Absolutely no way. Huh? Bro, what kind of voodoo is this? All right, let's try this again. Entry price at... Dog, I can't. This is too much for me. Let me just type it out. So 5681.75. Hey, Professor. You have some explain to either. Okay, let me try a short one more time. This is not. Let me do like, because bro. One more time. Entry price at 5681 point. What was it? 72 he said? 0.75. Nah. Professor, are you sure? Are you sure of what you are saying? Oh my goodness, Professor, please give me the coordinates again. I beg you, because me, I can't right now. I can't understand what's going on. TFF trustee faking firm. As I said, in the 5-minute gold is looking good. All right, let's take a look at gold. Oh guys, look, gold is looking pretty good. Pretty good, guys. So hopefully can hit TP. Gold, the last two trades we took on gold, we were winning, and then yesterday we took an L on gold. So we're now 2 for 3. Hopefully we're not 2 for 4. I don't want to be half and half on gold. Gold already took a lot of money from me in real life. I don't want no more problems. Adib said he's Indian because he likes Pineapple Song so much. Guys, was Mr. R the live it did was a disgrace. Just insulting everyone's intelligence. Bro, yesterday was rough. I ain't gonna lie. Yesterday was super rough, bro. ADJPY is most likely gonna hit TP. I can't believe we missed that. I was actually going to take this trade possibly on another account to show you guys. But anyways, from next week we should be starting the series on Forex, where I'm going to be trading live every day for 30 days Forex. Okay, but again, we might start also group in the morning, and then because if I do the group thing, I'll come on here at 10 o'clock. It'll be like 10 to 11, so that the group who's in the group can have the benefit of actually watching me trade. So we shall see what will occur. All right, I'm long. Professor said he's long. All right, Professor, let's try this again. I really don't know what's going on here. So, gotta go back up. Professor, okay, let's start off with your TP. All right, that will help us a lot. So TP is at 5720. Okay, cool. So far, Professor, we're good. All right. Let's now try stop loss. 5669.00. Stop loss is, Professor, this is the tin that Professor, what? Okay, let me try this again. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. SL 5669 5669.0. So I think, Professor, I think that's wrong. Because at this point, you'd have to be the greatest sniper to ever live. You're going for a... What's he going for? It doesn't even show. 1 to 1,000? So, I don't know. I don't know, bro. Please help me out here. Please help me out here. Your lives are interesting to watch, bro. Rent a Lambo and a penthouse. The views can pick up. You know what? Me and Marcus thought about doing that as a joke. One of these days, I might rent a Lambo for real, because I think it's like 2K to rent a Lambo. So it's not that bad. But I think you also have to put down like 10K down payment. So you put down 10K, you put down 2K for the rental for the day, and then you got to buy the B&B. And the B&B too also has like a deposit. But who knows? Maybe one of these days we might do it. Maybe I'll do a video called Being a Fake Guru for a week. And I'll drive around and see how people react to me in a Lambo. And I will, you remember what the South African traders were saying? We can buy you. We can buy your life. I can buy your tomorrow. Those guys were going wow. When they were flipping when they were flipping all that rand, bro, they were going crazy. They were throwing around money like, we can buy you. We can buy the whole village. We will buy the village. They were talking spicy, bro. So maybe I might do that. I might just go around telling people, I will buy your life. I remember listening to a radio show one time. My pastor said, I know your tomorrow. I know your tomorrow. Bro, I love my African people, bro. My African people the best. Yo. Oh my goodness. Yes, man, that's the game. Yeah, you know what I mean? Nowadays, that's what you got to do to get popular, I guess. So we will see what happens. Let's see what's going on with gold. Gold. This is why gold is such a heartbreaker for me. You have time. Okay. That's why gold is such a heartbreaker for me. Ranka said I would be the first one to tell people he is legit. Yo, I should fly you guys out with me. Have you guys as like my bodyguards and stuff, and my entourage, and play the whole role. South African people are like that. They scalp full margin on news. I wish I had that adrenaline. Yo, South African people, you guys remember it's a sell. It's a sell. I called it classic Forex trade. It's a sell. Kablowi. You guys remember that? Bro, let me see if I can find it real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta turn this off for just a sec. Let me see if I can find Mr. Kablowi. YouTube, and let me go over here. Classic Forex trade. Let's see. Easy sell. Easy say like call the signal. Sorry guys, I know you're probably wondering why the heck is the screen black. Just bear with me 1 second, guys. Let me switch for you guys. All right, let's see if we can find it. Classic forex trade. I think it's this one.
1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. It's a sell. I'm on a real account. I'm on a real account.
At least he's on a real account.
It's a sell. It's a sell. It's a sell. It's a sell. I gave the signal. I gave the signal. I gave the signal. Classic forex trade. Kablowy. Kablowy. 1 minute to go.
Yo, my brother got washed, bro. I used this for one of my short memes. I think it was, where was it? It was this one.
It's a sell. I gave the signal. I gave the signal. I gave the signal. Classic forex trade.
Use your brain! Use your brain! Use your brain! The thing in your head, use it!
Trading really be like that sometimes, guys. I lie? Trading really be stressful like that, bro. It gets crazy, bro. It gets so crazy. E-mini. Okay, I got the coordinates now for E-mini. All right, let's see. Let's see. I don't think I have E-mini though. E-mini is gonna have let me see. No, it's E-mini. What's the thing on E-mini? I know for a thing it's YM. What is it for? What's the code? Because for it's different for futures. E-mini. Nah, it's different for futures. What's the code for futures? Is it SP? Or just E-mini? Bro, I was just on my Top Step account this morning. How do I not know this? Bro, give me the coordinates, bro. People are laughing. Yeah, bro. That dialogue is famous, bro. That dialogue is hilarious. Hilarious. Either way, Professor, I'm sure we can plot it out somehow on here. So you're long. Let me just know. Is your stop loss? Where's your stop loss? Below the wick? Above the wick? See if you could describe to me where your stop loss is, and we can maybe plot your trade. All right. AUDJPY. Guys, it's about to hit TP. It's about to hit TP. And we missed the trade, bro. This sucks. This sucks. You know, I really like AUDJPY. Let me tell you the pairs I love right now. I don't like GJ. People love GJ. I don't like GJ. But I do love AUDJPY right now. It's just been butter for me. All the setups we took this week on that pair was just, look at this, bro. Straight butter. And I took this live. Like on a live account. That was fire. And then EuroJPY is my brother too. You know what I'm saying? Love EuroJPY. And then gold, the Widowmaker, loves to just ruin lives. Gold should be arrested. That is my thing. All right, guys. So here's it on a serious note. Once we cross this line, if you guys, I told you don't get in this trade, but if you're somehow in this trade for some strange reason, knowing that is gold, and gold can take you from being in your house to being on the streets in front of your house real quick. If you somehow got in this trade, the second we cross here, be careful. Okay? The second, if we don't already get stopped out. All right. It's nice to see them flip, but when I do it, I lose everything. Yeah, bro. It's so flipping. You gotta like, I've done it a couple times, but not as aggressive. When you're flipping, man, you just gotta basically full margin a really good setup. That's all that it really is. A really good setup. That's all that it is. And these guys, they do it with news though. I've done two news trades where price went in my direction, but bro, I still would not trade it ever again. Steven said, can you look at GBP NZD for sure? Kato said, I'm short on GJ right now. And Katot's asking why I hate GJ. I just don't like GJ, bro. Let me look at GBP NZD, and then I'll show you why I don't like GJ. GBP NZD. I don't like GJ. I don't like GJ at all. All right, GBP NZD, baby. All right, let's see. Also a pair this kind of looks like one of the pairs we just analyzed. Which one was it that we just looked at? Was it GBP CAD or AUD or something like that? Very similar. All right, so bottom line is this. Price has just been steadily, let's see, can we connect that line here somewhat? Yeah, so price has kind of been steadily going that way. We have price also, oops, maybe, is this a force? I think that's a force still. That is a force. Let me see, let me put the thing on. Yeah, no, I'm not going to touch that. Long story short, we basically were going up, came down, broke down, came back up here, broke down further. This was the last low. This was the last high we really care about. Therefore, my overall position is bullish. However, on a shorter time frame, you can see that we are bullish. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we can deduce from this, see what we can get out of this. You can also see right here, clear as day, the very beautiful support that was also resistance at a point, okay, and how price is responding to that on the daily. Let's go down to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we've kind of missed the gravy train. It already took off without us. You can see right here is the last area of support and resistance price is banking on, and now we have this level as well. So with that being said, since we're fully bullish, I would have, you know what? I kind of actually maybe guys, because this is kind of within this range, maybe and just maybe we could maybe take this trade maybe down to maybe down here. Okay, all jokes aside, guys, we do have a little bit of, this is wild. Nah, this is wild. I'm not taking that. We might be going down though, but I'm not taking that just because I would like to see price really peak a little bit more than that before going down. So let's see. Maybe if price starts breaking these lows, we can consider getting in for a sell, but we'll see what happens within this area. Let me put an alert right there. Price, oops, man. All right, so we have that there. SPX 500, ADJPY. Bro, I'm about to cry, bro. I'm about to cry, dog. By the way, guys, if you guys ever come to Toronto, people in Toronto speak so funny, bro. They be like, yo, bro, that's cheese, dog. Yo, dog, yo, what you saying, fam? Yo, brody, yo, broski, dog. They're like, what you saying, bro? What's going on with the glizzy, dog? You just talk so weird, bro. It's so weird over here, bro. So, if you ever come to Toronto, you'll get a good laugh. Gold. Let's go back and look at gold. Gold, baby. Let's see what's going on with gold. There we go. Gold again, doing its usual nonsense. Oh yeah, and we got to look at GJ. Let's see. News is just gambling for me at least. Yeah, I agree. I've sent a screenshot on Discord, bro. Got you. Honestly, I thought that was just a meme. No, it's no joke. They legit. GJ hit TP. Listen, before we play congratulations, K-Dot, can you show us your entries and stuff? Because he shows us sometimes. He be hitting some crazy trades. Here's the thing with K-Dot that I've noticed. If K-Dot's getting into a trade, like it'd be like somewhere here, his stop loss is like right here. No word of a lie. That guy is probably South African at heart. All right, so K-Dot, congratulations, guys. Let's put some fire emojis in the chat for K-Dot.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, brother. Fire emojis in the chat for K-Dot. He hit TP on GJ. Congratulations.
I am happy for you. Like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop
This
you
was actually
from
nice.
going higher. Congratulations.
Fire emojis in the chat, guys. Don't hate. Show some support. Fire emojis. Fire emojis. Put some fire emojis. You guys know what we do. If you're new here, maybe not.
Yeah, I celebrate.
Clap it up for K-Dot. Fire emojis in the chat, bro. You gotta support each other. We support everybody who's doing well. All right, this is what we do over here. We cheer one another on because you know what happens? K-Dot a couple weeks ago was down like 5%, and now he's killing it. It happens to the best of us. Show love, the love will come back to you, all right? Congratulations. We're very happy for you.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Yeah, man, we happy for you, dog. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. See, he was down 3%. This is the game. But I want to take a look at this. Maybe I like GJ after all. Look at that. This is just art. You know what, GJ? Perhaps I was wrong, GJ. Perhaps I've treated you unfairly. Perhaps we've got off to the wrong foot. Maybe we need to revisit GJ, because this whole play was art, bro. Damn. Maybe I might just look into GJ again. That's, to be honest though, this is a beautiful setup. My goodness. Extremely. Waiting for Euro USD to hit TP as well. Oh, wow. You're in Euro USD as well. Let's take a look. You guys, you see gold? Anyways, we'll come back to gold in a sec. You guys, look. AUD hit TP. I'm officially sick, bro. Euro USD. So I'm assuming you're short, right? Are you short? Because I'm going to take a position against you. Let's do what we did to Marcus. I'll take a position against you. No, this is not enough. We need to go more ham, guys. We need to go more ham. Yeah. Let's take a position against K dot. There we go. Let's go for 1 to 2. This is a gamble, guys. Don't even touch it. If you notice, I didn't analyze a single thing. I literally just hopped in. All right. He said he's waiting for price to hit TP. Let's see. Yeah, he's short. We'll see what happens. Oh, look at that. Price was kind of going down in a channel. And then now we're here. Ooh. Now you might actually hit TP. We'll see. You might actually hit TP. We'll see. Congratulations. Bro, that song's stuck in my head now. Damn gold. And GPJ. Man, this was beautiful. All right, guys. So let's see what happens there. Let's see what happens there. We're in a trade. Okay, we have our TP here. Kiddo, where's your TP? So we can also pray that it hits your TP as well. I don't want this to go against you for real, because you're actually in a live trade. This area might be problematic. We'll see. We will see, guys. This is the 1 minute, so anything can happen. We will see. We will see. We will see. All right, we got 20 people in here. I'm going to play our national anthem one last time, because for me, in about 36 minutes, it will no longer be morning. So good morning, everybody who's joined us. Everybody who's new, join the Discord if you're new. But good morning, our lovely foreigners, and good morning, pineapple.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are having a wonderful morning. It is Friday. I hope you guys have some good plans. Some good plans. Oh, wow, you were almost at TP already. Hope you guys have some good plans. It's not alive. I'm old enough to get... It's not live. Oh, I'm not old enough to get a live account. Really, K-Dot? Well, let me tell you one thing. The way you trade, no word of a lie. When you get live, if you can keep your emotions in check, you will be eating for days. You'll be able to buy out the whole village, as they say in South Africa. All right? You'll be eating for days. You trade very well. Good for you, man. And you guys, I think Shosho was also doing this before he started trading live. He might, I don't know if he's trading live yet, but Shosho was doing the same thing. He was hitting some good trades. You guys practice while you can, okay? Trading is one hell of a beast. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Thank you. I'm only 17. Good job, bro. Congratulations to you, man. Congratulations to you. That's really, really, really good. Good job. 17. Wow. Good job. I wish I learned at 17. You know what I mean? But yo, when I was young, bro, I was a dummy. So I don't think anything would have changed. All right. So this is where we're at. This is K-Dot's TP. This is our TP. Let's see what happens. Let me actually start to analyze this and see what we actually got going on here. But now it's so busy. All these lines and stuff. Gosh. We are kind of in an area where price may give us some challenges in terms of going back down. And then not to mention, look at this beautiful gap on the 15 that price just literally tapped into and like doesn't know nothing else. So who knows? Is it enough to push us all the way back up there? Only God knows. We'll have to wait and see. Same, bro. I wish I learned at 17 by 20. He'll be very far. Absolutely. He'll be killing it. He'll be absolutely killing it. Hopefully these prop firms are still here, you know, by then. Because I don't know what's going on with these prop firms, man. I do not understand it. I don't understand it. Gold, make up. You guys, you know how many times gold has done this to us? But to be fair, when gold does this, usually he's going to wipe you out, man. He's not going where you want him to go. Because look, what kind of price action is this? Like, explain to me, what is this? If unless gold uses this as another lower high, then essentially we might have this. Okay? Maybe. Even then, as you can see, gosh, let me get rid of this. Even then, as you can see, price whenever coming to this level has been pretty standard. So based on what I'm seeing, price is actually supposed to break towards the upside, guys. So what we actually have, we got caught. What we actually had was price going up, starting to give us a little consolidation. So, you know what I mean? We might get something like this and then boom. So this is actually supposed to go towards the upside. I pray to God none of you guys are in a gold trade. Go to the 5 minutes for gold. Got you. No problem. Let's take a look. Take a look. I kind of see the same thing, to be quite honest. Yeah, because look at this strong bearish candle, and then it's been equalized by the movement up here as well. So I don't know, man. For those of you who trade with your stops right there, this is why I always put my stops at the recent swing high. We will see what happens. Gold, the Widowmaker. This was a beautiful setup. Let me just mark it up so you guys see what I'm talking about. We'll just do it like this just to keep it simple. Very beautiful. Very beautiful trade. Just like our AUD JPY trade. All right. Oh, look at KDOT. KDOT's about to hit TP, guys. KDOT's about to hit TP. Let's go. All right, KDOT. So we'll keep that open for you. We took a trade against KDOT. Are we going to lose? Oh, man. So, you guys, here's what I want to do. Actually, I'll just wait. This will be off soon. Never mind. Just bear with me. Bro, this looks too busy. Let me get rid of some of these things. All right, guys. It's just way too many things going on over here. But at the same time, they help us understand structure. So let me change the colors. Maybe that will help. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. I think that makes it a little bit better. All right. So we at least know that within this area, there was a channel. And now gold is acting a fool, doing what it does best. USD. Come on, bro. You're almost there. Gosh, sorry. I didn't realize this. Oh, KDOT said he's out. Guys, KDOT said he's out to trade. All right, KDOT. Platforms have been the golden age in 2022 to 2023 was absolutely fire for real. As soon as my Forex funds dropped, the whole industry went down. It's so true. As soon as my FX funds dropped, the whole industry just tanked. Like FTMO right after that stopped accepting US clients, which is huge. KDOT said 4 hour for the day. Excellent. I was expecting a bigger pullback due to 4 hour high getting taken. You never know, bro. Look, it's literally at your TP. It's official. You hit TP, brother. So still great analysis. He said, never mind. Hop back in LMAO. Saw the order block after I filled the fair value gap. All right, brother. Don't get too carried away. But I mean, you've obviously done your analysis on here. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this plays out. Gold is just so annoying. And GJ today moved beautifully. All right, for those of you who were not here this morning, let me give you a recap on the trade that we took this morning. So this morning we took a trade on NQ. Okay, this was a beautiful setup I took. I took this on some accounts, made some money. Very, very good trade. Then I also took this trade. Where is it? No, not your GPY. This one, GBP CHF. You guys were here when I hit TP live. We closed some at a 1 to 2 and then let the rest run for a 1 to 4. This one here. Beautiful trade. All right. For this week, I am 7 for 7. My best trading week. Best trading week. All right, guys. K-Dot, take the money and run. Don't re-enter. Cash flow. If you know K-Dot, let me tell you one thing about K-Dot. Him and DJ. DJ is not here today, but K-Dot is...
You're a bad boy.
Yeah.
You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
That's K-Dot, bro. Okay, so one of these stop losses was hit on gold. So, I mean, we're probably cooked. All right, guys. So, this is why I never, ever do these, especially with, I think gold taught me that actually. Whenever I do this with gold, it would always take, if it was going down, it would always take me out first and then go down. So, I hated doing that on gold. Nas would do that to me sometimes too. But I always put it, because for me, if we break above this high, guess what? We're wrong. We're wrong altogether. That means we're wrong about the direction price was going up. We saw it. We thought it was going down. So, all right. It's all good. I've got faith in my analysis. If I lose, I lose. It's a learning lesson. But my method tells me sell. So hopefully it works. Hey brother, what I won't lie. I do respect the fact that you just follow your analysis. It's the fastest way to profitability. Just follow your analysis. All right. For those of you who are here, not here this morning, we hit 2 trades this morning. I'm 7 for 7. Not a guru, not an expert, but I just, I'm just here showing what I do on my accounts. Alrighty. So this one's about to hit TP as well. Let me see if we can find, it's 11. Is there any trades we can actually take that's a good example for you guys to learn how to trade, those of you who are new? Let's see. Let's do, you know what? Let's check Euro JPY real quick. We have that somewhere here. Euro JPY. GBP USD. I watched this all day today and then I said, nah. I didn't like the way it was moving. So I just hopped out. But you can see, all right, so we got going on. Well, if you count that, right? Now we have bearish structure. It's consolidating. Okay? So what we're anticipating overall was this. That's what I was anticipating, but anything is possible. Anyways, let's go to Euro JPY. Euro JPY. I was hoping that price would come back to somewhere up here so we can get a nice retracement, because I just know Euro JPY is going towards the downside. Unfortunately, it just came up to here and it went down. But I love Euro JPY, the way it's moving. So Euro USD hit stop loss. Let's just go back to that real quick. Hello. Oh, gosh. Okay. All right. Hit stop loss. So congratulations to K-Dot. Took a trade against you and we lost. Wait. Did you not already get out, though? Anyways, going back to what we're talking about, let's do some more analysis real quick. All right, so this is what I was anticipating. Now, here's the thing with these pairs that sometimes drives me insane. GBP USD always moves so weird compared to the rest. And I know it's US correlated, but still, it still acts pretty wild. You see what I'm saying? So, not a fan of that. We also did oil this morning. I missed the setup on oil. This would have been lovely. This would have been lovely. Okay, I was also anticipating that price would go to one of these two zones because of news. End up going to this one first, and now it's falling. All right, so we've had some decent setups today. Like I said, this week has been amazing for me. I almost passed the combine this morning, and I made a foolish mistake. So hopefully we can get that done on Monday. If not, maybe Wednesday. If not, maybe Thursday and Friday. We'll be back where we started. I'm also starting next month a trading series of next week. Trading Forex every day for 30 days. Forex only, which means no indices, strictly Forex pairs. So the pairs that I'm looking at right now, you guys can let me know which pairs you guys like. But the pairs I'm looking at right now, GBP CHF is kind of in there. It's a bit hit and miss for me. I don't really like the way it moves sometimes. Euro JPY is definitely there. I'm going to put the 4 pairs in a poll, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me just tell you guys. These are the 4 pairs I'm going to be trading. I want you guys to vote, I guess, which one you think is the best. So we have AUD, JPY. We have that. We have, okay, and then for the last one, we will do this. We will do GP, we'll do R, we'll try this just to make it interesting. Or even, all right, one of these four. So you guys let me know. This is what we're looking at right now. Because to be honest, those are the pairs that I really resonate with. We've taken some trades all week. In fact, the last 2 weeks as we started analyzing Forex, bro, Euro JPY has been consistent for me. I don't like GJ. Ooh, Euro JPY right now is in the lead. Ooh. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, it was just 2 votes. That's why. So you guys vote. Let me know which pairs you guys love the most out of the 4 that I put up there. And then we will see if we add any one of those 3 or 4 at the bottom to the list. Okay? Because if you guys vote that, then we'll put that up for a poll and see how that goes. All right? In the meantime, let's see what else we can analyze. I think we looked at GBP NZD at a point today, right? I'm not a fan of those like exotic pairs. But so price has just been consolidating. So this is what I'm anticipating, guys. I'll show you. Price has been consolidating. Oh, we're in this area. Never mind. Never mind. I'm not a fan of that at all. But here's what I'll do, guys. Here's what I'll do. We'll see. I have a theory to test out. Let me put a... All right. Guys, there's 20 of you in here and only 5 votes. You guys get to voting. Get to voting. Click on some of these things so we can see what you guys, because listen, depending on what you guys choose is what I'm going to trade. Remember, this is to help you guys. I don't trade Forex. So I'm going to be trading pairs that you guys trade so that it'll help you. The ones I like the most, the 2 that I love the most are AD JPY and Euro JPY. But I can at least add 2 others. So let me know what you guys would like to see. If it's not in here, we'll do something else. It depends on the chart. Do you know why that is? TP hit it. Oh, yeah. There's discrepancies. Oh, okay, so this broke out of here now. There are discrepancies with the charts. So, for example, I think K-Dot asked. Yeah, K-Dot, if you notice, I have multiple of the same type of charts, right? So, like US 30, I have like, 3 charts. NAS, I have 2 charts. SPX, I have 3 charts. Because they literally... same with gold. Some charts, like, I'll give you an example. This morning, with GBP CHF, the way it was showing on my MT5 was different from how it was showing on my on my trading view. And then I checked another chart and it looked different on that chart on trading view as well. So like it gets really messy sometimes and I don't know why that is. All right, we got 7 votes in here, not bad. So Euro JPY seems to be a favorite, and then as well as the ones at the bottom, which are like GBP USD, GJ and stuff like that. So what we can do is, there's 7 votes. I'm going to end this poll real quick just so we don't waste any more time. And then I'm going to add one more. And this is what I'm going to say. One more poll, guys, and we're done. One more, I promise. So for this, I'm going to say, which of the 4 should we trade / add to the list? Okay? And it's going to be... Okay, one more. And... All right, guys, here are the last 4. Let me know what you guys decide. Vote as quickly as you can so we can get it over with and we can officially make our pairs for next week. Let me do this. I think that'll be better. All right, gold, the Widowmaker is still doing its stuff. It's broken out of this channel, so that's interesting. Out of this thing here. Thoughts on brokers like Owanda and Vantage starting prop firms. Surely they are safe bets for not running out of money. Yeah, I mean, they've been here for a long time. Plus, Owanda's regulated. Owanda's regulated. Okay, and same with, who's the other one? Is it FC Markets or FX Market? Something like that. One of those 2. There's 2 that are regulated, so you should be fine. And the way they do that is by making sure your leverage is not insane. So I think with Owanda, your max leverage is like what, 1 to 50 or something like that. Right? I don't trade. I won't lie to you guys. My personal broker is not regulated. My personal broker, 1 to 500 leverage. I had another one. I think it was Trader's Way. They were 1 to 1,000. Boy, you catch a good setup on that. Blessed are thou. Trust me. All right, let's see. Oh, wow. Most of you guys choosing XAUUSD. That's insane. 9 votes, too. Damn. That's nuts. All right, so I guess we'll add gold. We'll add gold to the list. So it'll be Euro, JPY, AD, JPY, maybe GBP, CHF, and then XAUUSD. I was surprised. I thought GJ was going to win, guys. All right, so I'm going to close the poll. Cool. Cool. So there you have it. We will then add gold to the list, which we already have on our chart. So I'll tell you one thing right now, bro. Gold, I'm going to be super careful to trade gold. Super duper careful, because gold is a heartbreaker. We were 2 for 2, and now we're about to be 2 for 4. Gold, man. XNEX is, I heard XNES can actually give you unlimited leverage, which to me is like, bro, what the heck is that? That's just weird. All right, GBP NZD, let's check it out. Price is breaking towards the downside. Let's see what happens. I'm going to do something super crazy if this goes the other way. I'll show you what I mean. Let's check the 5-minute. Because we have to keep in mind, we are at another gap from the other side, but here we have one that just recently formed. So I want to see what price does. If price disrespects this, completely violates it, I'll start looking at sells. Don't use new prop firms, bro. Yeah, I know. I should. I think I have one of my accounts, to be honest, that I was just throwing some random trades into that. I think I'm going to use that account. Okay, and I think that account is also 25K. So 25K is a good size, right? So we'll do that. We'll trade on that account and see how that goes. I think that's the one I want to go with. I'm in a paper trade in gold. Same stop loss as you. Ranker, I pray to God for your sake we hit TP. Or at least move to beat break even. But he said paper trade, so it don't matter, Rankar. It don't matter. All right, so yeah, so that's what we're looking at right now. We have price breaking at this consolidation zone. You guys, let me explain something to you, and it works a lot with news. Price breaks out of consolidation zone to tap into one zone to go to the next. I've explained this to you guys a million times, and you'll see it happen with news. I think even today with, let me do this one. Let me see if I can show you guys. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick. All right. So what ended up happening is this. You see this here? Price was consolidating. It broke out, came to this zone, went up. It does that all the time. It'll break out of a zone, go to one zone, come back to the next. It does that all the time. So what this is a 1 minute though. So this is way different. But what I'm anticipating is that price may be breaking down to ultimately going back up or something like that. We'll see. I really don't have any reference points. So that's the interesting thing. It's like I don't really have any place where I can say, oh, price is breaking to go here or there, just because we're already at this zone. We already have this gap here, and there's a gap even on the bullish side. So it's just messy. But if I can illustrate that to you guys, I will. All right, so we're going to watch these two. I'm going to move this over. Terrible, terrible price action on gold. Let's see. All right, guys. Let's see if we can get into a trade here. I used to trade, when I first started trading, this was the first thing I noticed. Price breaking out of consolidations, and then I would do this. Right? And I would aim for like one of these lows or something. And guess what price would do? Every time. And you sit there with that crying meme face. You're like, what the heck is going on? Can you check Discord trading ideas, please? Okay, sure. Then why not? Let me check, because some people did upload some ideas here. Oh, wow. There's 8. Wow. A lot of you guys were in here. So NT Sako at play. His trade already played out, I think. So I'll leave that alone. Let me just show you guys real quick what we got going on here. So this is who's a show 30-minute. Show. Okay. Just waiting. Okay, got you. I got lucky. I know who this is. Everything, as you can see, usernames have been truncated because I'm on live stream, right? So they want to protect people. We done, boys. Excellent trade. What a week for real. Excellent trade. K dot. You guys, we have some snipers, absolute snipers in the Discord. All right, guys, that like you don't even have to watch me. You can see some of these guys how they trade. What is this? Okay, so this is USD CAD, and you're bullish. When was this? What time was this? 11:46. Okay, so this is recent. All right, so let's take a look at USD CAD. Let's take a look at USD CAD and see if we can draw some comparisons here. Let's do it here. All right. Let me pop that back open. That's on the daily. I see. So you're swinging. All right, let's take a look at the daily. Oh, that's interesting. That's very interesting. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. I have this line here for like if price breaks, we're going down. You might be right about still going up because recently we've been making higher lows and higher highs. But we are still also going towards a strong zone. But it seems like by the time you get there, you should be... Nah. Bro, you have a long way to go. Keda said, how do you even manage 1 to 2,000? Does that mean that you can 2x your money in one trade? Hypothetically, yes, but it would take a lot of work to do that. But it just means that for every dollar you put into the account, you have 2,000 to play with. You see what I'm saying? So your leverage goes, if you put in $100, you do the math, right? Is that like 20K? 100 times, what did I say? If you put in $200 or $100? Yeah, $100 times 2,000. Oh, even better. There you go. So it's not even 20K. It's 200K worth of leverage. You see what I'm saying? So what that means is that every move, for example, if every pip in a situation like that will be a lot heavier than your standard, right? So for every standard lot, I think gold moves, or is it GJ? One of them moves like $10 a pip. In this case here, right? And I think that's like 1 to 100 leverage. In this case here, every pip would be like $40. You see what I'm saying? My math could be way off. I don't even trade like that. I use position size calculators for everything, so I don't do the math myself. But the long story short is it moves way more, but it can also hurt you way more. All right. You just pray it doesn't go the wrong way. No, that's like leverage. You can use big lot sizes since it gives you more margin. Exactly. Bro, I asked if I identified the gap correctly. Oh, my fault. I didn't even check that. Yo, you're freaking out. Okay, the gap. Yes, that gap right there is correct. Adib was freaking out. Adib, relax. All right. You did identify the gap absolutely correctly from what I can see. All right. And just to give you a bit of a peace of mind, let me go back to check it again. Where'd you have it? Right above, we have a push down thing. And then, okay, cool. So. Okay, got you. It's because of where my stuff is set. I think your gap is right here, if I'm not mistaken. Like that. I think that's where you had yours. Bro, I tripped out for a second, man. Let's see. NZD. Okay, cool, guys. You guys, I'm going to do something crazy here. Just bear with me. Let's be degenerates. At least 10K. Okay, so All right, guys. I'll explain to you after why I got into this trade. Let's go for a nice 1 to 2 as always. Let's see how this plays out. But yo, we need way more money in here than that, bro. This is nothing. It's by a milli. There you go, at least. Okay, so my entry's actually here, guys, as you saw. So we're going for a nice, let me get rid of this because that was not even a real trade. We're going for a nice 1 to 2. Don't take this trade, guys. Trust me, because this consolidation area price could just be literally running, right? Because we broke structure. This is bearish structure. We could just be tapping into here to go down. But I have a reason as to why I'm getting in here, and I'll explain to you guys right after. Alrighty. Look at gold. Gold, you are not cool. You're not cool. But I mean, we saw it, right? We saw that it was breaking out of this channel. So, I am not excited to trade gold at all. At all. All right, guys. So right now we have gold about to hit stop loss. We have this trade here. I want to see how this plays out. I should have gotten a little earlier after this engulfing, to be quite honest with you. But it's all good. It don't matter. It don't matter. Don't date these guys, bro. Someone is watching you on mute right now. I know, right? I just got it, bro. I just realized. I thought you were telling me I'm muted, and I realized what you're saying. Yeah, somebody's probably just has me just watching the entries. Duh. Trade. No good. No trade. You know. Take. Trade. You know. Enter. In fact, let me just put it on the screen, bro. What's all the sign language for? Do not take this trade. There we go. Much better. Do not take this trade, I beg you. And gold just took us out, guys. All right. So for this week, every position we put in for gold, we are now officially 2 for 4, which means we're 50%. But both of the wins were 1 to 3s. So that's really good, right? So that means we won 6R and we lost 2R, which means we're up 4R. So as long as you're over 50%, you should be aight. Yeah, we're about to get washed. Okay. So we can leave gold alone, guys. I think this will be the last trade. It's almost 12. We'll finish with this trade and then we'll call it a day, guys. I just want you guys to have a great weekend. Join the Discord if you're new so that I can give you guys the updates on the site and all the stuff that's coming up. I'm going to see how many people sign up for the private trading in the morning. If we get a good enough people, we'll do it. All right, guys. So, interesting day. Plus, it's Friday, guys. One of my rules on Friday is like, first off, I don't trade past 11 anyways. Did this just take, what kind of spread is this? Did this take us out right here? Bro, that spread is diabolical, bro. Let me check the settings. Oh my gosh. Profit respond. No, is it canvas then? No. Volume. Nah. Bro, which one is it? It's not symbol. Bro, where is it where I can see? I know we have it where I can see the buy and sell. It has to be trading. No. Bro. That took us out right here. That is insane. That is insane. All right, guys. I think that's it, man. That's done. Here's the theory that I had. Okay. The reason why I was telling you guys not to take this trade is because we're at a strong zone, right? But if we were here instead, let's say this was reversed. I mean, that's the best way to do it. If it was this, you see what I'm saying? And price came down, I would have bought. I guess in that case it would be here. Because we're at a strong level, and usually at a strong level, price will peak up a little bit and then shoot up. That's how I took this trade, guys, before we go. Real quick. That's how I took this trade this morning. Right? Because I knew. Let me reverse it. Look, this is exactly what happened. Price broke out, and I just knew. I took a trade like this as well with, I think, SPX. All right, guys. So sometimes when you see that, this is what it's doing. And yeah. With that being said, guys, it is 11:57. We're going to play our national anthem before we head out. It's going to be a great weekend, guys. All right. So it's almost afternoon. I'm going to say good morning to you guys one last time before we go.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
All right, guys. Good morning, soon to be afternoon. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I love each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to join the Discord. Follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And as always, guys, my beautiful people, my beautiful foreigners, I will catch y'all on the next one. Thank you guys so much. WStream, K. said, thank you guys. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Shout out to all y'all. Salute. I love you guys. You guys are my family. You guys are my people. See you guys on Monday.